Hi, once again, welcome to another stream of Tempus Chronicle development. So today we'll be working on the skill loader component. Which is going to be the skill loader component, which is going to be, what was it? Oh, it'll come to me. So we can actually implement the character's state when you load the game. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so on new game, I want it so that, hang on, castigate is, yeah, so that the addressable, I tried in downloading PCSX2 and trying to see if I can do some streams on that, but for some reason PCSX2 just keeps crashing. I'm not entirely sure why. So that's out. Especially when I put it in full screen mode. Now ideally I'd want to play some Gran Turismo 4 Spec 2, but unfortunately it's not the time. So we have our new game. Now the equipped skill addresses, I need to make sure that these are right. So Regis is first, and the address of Castigate is this. I can probably trim off this, but I'm just going to keep it as is for the time being. So the current branch is that, and then on there, and yeah, so when we initialize the player party state, which is going to be this, except this battle entity player skills, basic active skills, we need to get rid of these. And these are missing, but whatever. None. And I've only equipped active skills on Regis, so we'll save that. Then I want to add a new script. So I'm just looking at visual paradigm at the same time. Where's it go? Skill loader there. I'm going to have another stab at the addressables. Let's just put my thing so you know what I'm doing. So this is the how and when to use. Release that. No. Right. So we do need a reference to the handles. So private async operation handle. And this will be active skill. Array. Active skill handles. Four. Actually, we'll get rid of this magic number. Active skill slots. Okay. Then private async operation handle active skill. Array of passive skill handles. Equals new that. Then active skills, private passive skill, passive skills. Public void load skill int slot string address. Then how do I do this? If active skill handles dot slot is not null, operation is not cannot be handled to. Oh yeah, this is a struct. If active skill slot is not null, then active skill handles dot slot dot release active skills slot equals null. Or rather, we can just put this as public void unload skill in slot bool is active skill. If is active skill, then else rather. Passive skills. Actually, no. Put this in its own thing. Make this private. Then active skill handles slot. Hi Hilly. Active skill handle slot is how are you doing today? If the active skill handle slot dot equals await addressables. This is my first time using addressables, so I'm going very slow at the moment. Load asset async. Active skill. Address. You're right, you're on work break. Okay. Then active skills slot. Equals await. Active handle skill slot. Dealing with the battle menus? Kind of. I'm dealing with the equipment menus. So you're scrolling and the hell? Yeah, I'm trying to equip slots, which means basically unloading and loading them. But you have to use this thing called addressables in Unity, and in old versions of Unity, you just stick them all in the resources folder and you'd load them by their file path. But addressables, you have to set their own address and you have to load them in a certain way, and I'm very unfamiliar with it. So this would be a does not contain a definition for get-awaiter, and the best terms of receiver of type Unity async operation. Oh right, yeah, it is a pain. If we await, so it says here await active skill handles slot. Yeah, it is a pain. Dot completed? Why can't we await this? Completed can only appear on the left hand side of plus minus or... Oh, you can just... No, you can't just do that. Requires a receiver of type Unity Engine async operation. What? Is done. Dot result. says here you can just... No, we can't do that. Await handle. Unity instantiate addressable. Okay, apparently I need to have this in a coroutine instead of an async method. Which is a pain. Var handle equals that, which is an async operation of game objects. So this will be yield return handle. Oh, let's have a look at this again. Unitask. There was a video that told you how to do it. This one. Okay, so we don't need to make this only right. It will be instantiate.async dot task dot as unitask. But then that doesn't give us the handle. It just gives us a unitask. Okay, put this back. I enumerator. think that's how you do it. But this is going to be a game object, so actually I can merge these into skill handles. Game object. And then this will just be a generic load skill because they're both in here. Actually, we'll make this private and then have the public facing stuff to be load active and load passive. Cannot convert results. And then we need to, instead of the slot, it would be a active skill slot or passive skill slot. But then it would have to be a int. And we can't return anything from this, so something like this, maybe? Private game object, skill objects, skill objects, slot equals skill handles slot dot result. Then private uni, no, not unitask, unity event. Skill instantiated. Okay. Addressables instantiate async. Then what? Oh, I don't know. Oh yes, of course. Public. Active skill. Load active skill. Int slot. No. Active skill slot. String address. Then destroy skill objects dot skill object slot. Have this one first. Start coroutine. Load skill. Slot dot slot number. Comma address. Await. Var obj equals await skill instantiated. No, because that's going to cause a race condition. But I have to use the enumerator. Unity coroutine return value. Have a pop-up box which is blah 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 blah. So C# generator blah 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 blah. Closure callback function. Okay. Wait, skill instantiated. That's going to cause a race condition, though. If I try and load two at a time, that's gonna cause the first one to be loaded twice, or rather, be put into the slot, put into both slots. So we'll need to. Or I could. Make this an int. Then this. Loaded slot, and then Actually, I'm going to put this outside. Slot equals -1. While loaded slot does not equal slot number. Then that waits for the until, and then also when we load skill, skill instantiated dot invoke slot. Slot dot transform skill objects slot num equals transform dot parent equals slot dot transform slot dot slotted skill equals skill object slot num dot get component active skill. Okay, can just get rid of this then. Get. Actually, no. Yeah, set. Or could no add the slot skill in there as well. Okay, it's right there in the autocomplete. Var skill equals that. Return skill. Oh. Now we just need to do the same with passive skills. Okay, so I need to make passive skill slots as well. Okay, create one behavior, passive skill slot. Prereqs. I'm also going to put these two prerequisite classes into here. The passive skill slot is just going to be the same as this, except, yeah, but I really should be using inheritance to stop this copy paste job, but oh well. Maybe I'll dedicate a stream to solving technical debt later on, once there's, you know, a fair bit of it. Okay. Unload skill, load skill. Okay, so this is done. So this player field entity should have another model. Should have a skill loader. Under skills. Okay, scenes, main menu. Oh, it still has Banish Bless and Courageous Aura on there. So it's the player party state scene. Right? Or is it game loader? It's game loader. Yeah, this. So this should be the start. No. It's get rid of these. Skills has a skill loader. No, it's in the... Where is it? New game thing. Saved game manager, instance loaded game. Then we need to do... If save isn't... So we want to populate the party from here, I reckon. So, var player party state player state manager equals new player party state manager. No, it's not new. It's get find any object by type. Player party state manager. This should be a singleton. It is. Player state manager dot instance dot current state. Player state dot current branch equals save dot current branch. What? Saved game. Hang on, let's have a look at this. Which has a player party state in there. Okay. That simplifies things. Party instance dot current state equals save dot player party state. Then there should be a dungeon manager instance, but there isn't, which holds the dungeon state. But that gets populated later, so we keep the saved game in there. Yeah. var player state manager equals this. Var player party equals state manager dot player party. Put this on the other monitor. Okay, public player party equals get component in children player party. Var for player party dot player party size. For active addresses equals new array segment of strings. This will be state manager dot current state dot equipped skill addresses. Offset is I multiplied by 8, and the count is 8. No, 4. They do the same for passive addresses. Passive addresses. If active addresses J is not null, no. Skill loader entity skill loader equals, what does it equal? Player party dot get entity dot skill loader. Or rather, entity presenter dot load skill. Active address is J. And then active address is passive skill, active skill. Okay. To do load equipment. Generate these methods. So yeah, don't do that. Int slot string address skill towards load active skill. Slot address. Model dot load passive skill. Slot address. Generate these. Skill loader. Load active skill that. Private skill loader. Skill loader. Skill loader equals get components in children skill loader. Maybe have it just so it gets the active skill slot from there, but yeah, we'll do that in skill loader. Passive. Right. Active skill slots. Child slot number. Dot get component active skill slot. No, after the constants. Private transform active skill parent. Passive skill parent. Change this to passive. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at what goes wrong. A menu. Oh. Oh. If skill objects dot slot. Is not null. I thought destroy would just destroy it anyways. Do the null checking in house. Oh. No, hasn't been loaded. Also, I know it's slot 0, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. Passive. No, this needs to go in the upper prefab. Or I could just add them to this and then apply to prefab, I suppose. Oh, I'm going to have to do this manually, one at a time. It's the same bloody line. Oh, it's the skill objects. That's not. Fuck. Oh. Attempting to use an invalid operation handle. Is valid? Is valid. Here we go. Okay. Moment of truth. Hey! It worked! First time! Every time! So yeah, we've loaded Castigate and we've placed it onto our player field entity. And just to make sure, yeah, the active skill slot doesn't have it in. Therefore we can... Okay, so now we can load stuff by address, so that's good. I'm going to take a quick break, because I kind of need more caffeine. I'll be about a minute. Right, so now we can load stuff by address, which is good. Just trying to think what else I can do. Active address is J, passive address is J. Oh yeah, an actual skill equip menu, that might help. Okay, so staging area? No, yes, staging area. Right, what I'm also going to do is that I'm going to split the load and save buttons. So I'm going to call this one load button. Save button. Save. No. Should it be save load or load save? So, embark, save, load, and then, or maybe it should save and load be at the top, like so. Also, set shop codec shop status. Load a saved game. Okay, so status will make a panel. Then I need to find a hang on, let me find some inspiration. Game UI database. Character select? No. RPG status. RPG in screenshots. I want to find a good character status screen. Because we've got, no, this is like a sort of items you get. Player vitals? No. Here we go, equipped items and abilities. Agents of Mayhem, Agent. None of these are RPGs though. Is there a way to there we go, genres. Role-playing RPG. But it's all Western RPGs. That's not an art. That's not a UI. Right, this is, yeah, equipped items and abilities. I want like a sort of a status screen where you're near reincarnation, rest in peace. Scarlet Nexus, oh, played that, that's a good game, that. Oh, I don't know. It's all stuff that's in-game UI, not a aim and level and clock time, objective and goals. Here we go, title and system menus. Settings, options, settings, menu, game difficulty, cutscenes and story, modals and pop-ups, character intro? No. Game states, character select, stage default select, game's body, failure and game over, label complete, west whole screen. Rewards and experience? No. Player menus, here we go, player menus. Team summary. Inventory? Inventory? Okay, we're getting closer. This is items, though. Okay. Of course, this will require me to draw an icon for each item, which I don't think I have the capability for. Well, what about this? What's this from? Crosscode. So this is equipment, but we might be able to do something similar for skills. Because we need well, first of all, we need to divide it into active and passive skills, and then go from there. Vertical layout group. Actually, let's do the general, like, how do I, a tabbed view. How do I do that in Unity? Unity, tabbed, UI. Okay, that's tabbed menus are widely used in video games and application UI. Tab and tab view are the familiar with the Unity editor, UI toolkit, and C# scripting. Not UXML. Oh, this is ridiculous. Unity UI, easy tabs, no scripting. Blah 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 blah. Into macros and blah 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 blah. We don't have users to create tabs, much like tabs in your browser. Oh, they're not available in Unity UI. God damn it! Wait, hang on. Navigation options. No. How to create tabs. Use window, something like fade in or hide show, and create a tabbed menu. Creating a tab system, custom tab system in Unity. Da 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 da, and it's a fucking video. Blah 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 blah. Ah, I know those lyrics. Tab system for UI menu. We create a flexible tab group and tab button behavior with this. Please. Tab group script, tab button script, tab exit. Adding audio options. Oh, okay, so this is good, right. Okay, so we need like a sort of, hang on, give me a sec, I need to have an emergency idle meeting. Yeah, I'll be right back here a couple minutes. I'm back, but at what cost? Ow! Yeah, I'm in just so much. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know, man. Ow. I don't know. Oh shit. Ow, ow, ow. Sorry, that was a bit of a painful idle meeting. Okay. Apparently there's a tab group right in the... No, there isn't. Oh, the tab group script is here. I think I might need to take a step back and actually design this UI. Oof. Okay, get rid of this text. Probably have our party members down here and the actual things up on here. And then that leaves the actual skill loading thing. So, so it will create character select, and also on on here we get rid of that vertical layout group. Stretch across there, width 100, position X 16, width 128. Yeah. Oh, and also from the top, we want 128 as well. No, 128 plus 16, which is 134, 144. And this will have a vertical layout group and also a toggle group. Toggle, not taggle. Yeah, I'm probably just going to go to the 2-hour mark today. It's a weekend and I'm not feeling well. Don't allow switch off. That's, yeah. Okay, UI button. Oh yeah, also vertical layout group. Okay. Don't control child size. Don't force expand either, just control the width. Just make the height match the width 128. And instead of a text, it will be an image. Just button. Excel button. Button. Play on button. Hacker button. And finally the Shinri button. No, actually. Just have them in the middle like that. Oops. Image is not a raycast target. Zero, not raycast target. And then tabs. Right, left 144, height 128, pos y -16, and we create some more buttons. Status. Skills, equipment. Status, class, skills, equipment. Okay. This needs a horizontal layout group. On here, put there. No, these are buttons, so we need to have them as, yeah, like that. doesn't look right. Character select. Just have these as... Oh no, they are the buttons. Okay. Normal color, this. Oh, I don't want UI sprite. Square. Highlighted color. That. Actually, no, we'll just have as the normal color. If themings would be a thing. Pressed color, done. Selected color, done. Disable color, done. Can't multiply, I'll leave that. These are toggles, not buttons. Fuck, I gotta do this all over again. Toggle. Fuck. Oh, no, wait. It gets their buttons in there automatically. Okay, that's good. Okay. Normal color, yes. Highlighted color, this. Press color, that. Selected color, also this. And then disable color, this, but we're not going to be disabling them. Like the brighter yellow. Yeah, that's better. Not great, but better. Right, so these need to be toggles as well. Normal color done. Highlight color done. Press color done, selected color done, disable color done. Okay. Yeah, and the actual navigation would probably be here's the event system. Default input actions, left middle click UI move. Problem is that I'm moving the thing on there, so I need to set the navigation properly. status. Class. Skills. Equipment. Yeah, okay. This is... Don't want that on auto, just horizontal. No, this is a character select, so just vertical. Yeah, we'll have it vertical around and... Okay, we'll have to probably do it explicitly. Select on up, nothing. Select on down, axle button. Select on up, Shinri button. Axle button will have explicit. Axle, select Regis on up. And Battle on down. Axel Flayan. Betel Hacker. Flayan Shimmery. And Hacker Regis. And then these status tabs. Okay, left, select equipment, right, select class. Status, skills, class, equipment. And then skill status. Right. So I've clicked on these. I don't. Yeah, it goes for that. I mean, I do need to fix this thing if the guy's using a controller, but I don't know. Right. Then we create a one called content. And this is going to be... Boop. Right, left is 144 plus 160. 160. Right, 16. 16. I think I might make these a bit smaller. Status. Class. Skills. Equipment. Right. Horizontal layout group, middle center, active, passive. Right. Make him expand. Spacing be 32. Then add vertical layout group to both of them. Text. Active. Skills. $824, $855. No. Flexible width 1. Layout element, flexible width 1. But they're still... fuck me, dead. It's not doing anything because it's forcing expand on the Don't do that. And that's the cat. Cecil! Hang on. Oh. You hear him. Oh. What do you want? What do you want, Cess? No, you just want to be a nuisance. You just want to be a nuisance, don't you? You just want to be a nuisance, don't you? Yes, I'm streaming right now. Oh dear. Well, I think this stream's been a bit of a wash. Just wasn't really in the mood to begin with. I think that's just carried on into my usual, what do you call it? Usual stuff. Cecil. Yeah, it's been bad. Anyways, this is it so far. I'm probably going to finish this off upstream, finish this off stream, and then probably try again tomorrow. But we did manage to get the actual skill loading from a new game in there. Now it's just getting this thing sorted. I'm probably going to need to draw like a draw something in my notebook and then try and see if we can go through that. But it's coming along. Yeah. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, review on the world, and I'll see you soon.